Hey, all. Welcome back to the Brent Bruce Daily for February the 13th, 2023. It's about 2:25 p.m. Central Time, and we are preparing for a big report tomorrow that we've been talking about all last week, and that is the Consumer Price Index, which is the reading for the month of January of 2023. Now, it's important that we get a good number on this report because we've really had a few reports over the month of January that just really weren't that eventful. We were really expecting home loan interest rates to come down more significantly and stay down more significantly. But unfortunately, those reports were somewhat muted. And then we received that report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics showing some amazing numbers coming out on employment, which, while they are suspect, unfortunately, they were absorbed into the market, and home loan interest rates have gone up now 0.5% from not the last Friday, but the Friday before. So it's unfortunately that we've had that kind of a move in the wrong direction. Next month, we need to see, tomorrow, we need to see the Consumer Price Index reading, the core reading for the month of January at 0.3% or lower. 0.3% is going to give us a pass. We're probably not going to see a lot of fireworks at a 0.3. A 0.2 is going to be much more well received, and would probably see our home loan interest rates come down pretty quickly because the markets have really, going up as high as we have at 0.5% in only a couple of weeks. They're really looking for something to kind of get us over the hump and see some movement back down. So we're hoping that that is what we're going to see. Let's take a look and see where we are on our charts right now. We're currently up 5 basis points on our mortgage-backed security that we're watching each day. The 10-year Treasury is down 2 basis points. So again, not a lot of movement, probably because everyone is just sitting back and waiting for this big report to come out to know which direction we're going to go. You can see here we were having a good time getting up here to where our Brent Bruce daily 30-year fixed conventional rate was about 5.875. Then we received that odd employment number that shot us quite a bit down, and we've been on this downtrend ever since. Now, riding along the 100-day moving average here, which is keeping us stable with this floor of support underneath us. Now, hopefully, we get the report that we want, and we're going to shoot up here, start battling with some of these other ceilings. And look here, it's going to be pretty interesting when we do get to this moment when we've got this Fibonacci level, which we know was a complete bear for us to break above. Look how long we were fighting with this Fibonacci level. And then we knew that we were going to have a very difficult fight with the 200-day moving average. Now we're in a position where if we were to get back up into this range, we would have to battle both at the same time. So this is going to be interesting, and we're going to have some very strong reports to be able to break through. Let's take a look and see where we're at on our Brent Bruce daily home loan interest rate scenario. We're going to pull this up right now. All right. Now, again, this is our very well qualified 30-year fixed conventional home loan. And if you're finding this information helpful, please make sure that you do go to the YouTube page that you like and subscribe down below. That does help me and continue to allow me to put this information out. Now, here you go. We are currently at 6.5% with a very small credit ahead of tomorrow's report on the Brent Bruce daily 30-year fixed conventional home loan. Flagstar Bank right now is leading the pack. And again, for just under a point, you can get to 6.0. We can probably go with a different bank and get to 5.99%. Let's look at United. 5.99% is going to cost just under a point at 0.830, 5.99. So not too difficult to get to that 5.99 with the seller willing to maybe pay a point. Let's take a look at our parameters here just to make sure that we're in compliance. These are the parameters that I'm quoting. Yes, these are the real interest rates. No, this is not a bait and switch. So let's take a look and see here what happens tomorrow. Make sure that you tune in. This report comes out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. The Consumer Price Index. Be looking for a core reading on a month-over-month basis of 0.3% or lower. Now, tomorrow I will be in meetings all day. I have a meeting that keeps me away from my computer the entire day tomorrow. So I will try to send you an update from my phone. If not, hey, you've been watching this channel. You know how to read this information. You know what's happening now. You should probably also be able to have a pretty good feel for what interest rates do when that report comes out. I will keep you posted. And if I need to shoot a quick report out. If something goes crazy, you know that I will. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.